So today I will be showing you guys decontamination. So let's get dressed. So So the next place in the department over here is the lift. So this lift bring the dirty instrument from the OR down to decontamination. So when the instrument come over, they're going to open up. It open up, we take our instrument out. And then we stage it over here. So you see 4 case input. Yeah, that's where we stage our instruments. Down. Next over here, we have our 3 sink. We have the first sink, the middle sink, and the last sink. So the first sink is for us to rinse our instrument with cold water, and we also spray it down with cold water. So we do each instrument one at a time. And over the middle sink, we have to make sure our sink is filled up with 10 gallons of hot water, not a cold water, of hot water. And then we're going to pour our detergent into the middle sink with the hot water. So after we rinse our instrument with cold water, make sure we take every visible bioburden that is on the instrument, the bone, the tissue, the blood out, and then we're going to put it in here for the detergent to dissolve everything that we don't see. The grease that is on the instrument for the human body, the tissues, little blood can be able to break down in here. And then the tail one is our instrument from in here. We put it in the tail sink and spray it down to rinse it before we put it into the sonic. So here is the sonic. So after the testing, we're going to put our instrument into our sonic. And what the sonic help us to do, it help us with instrument that have hole between them, that so it can do the cavitation process. So it flush water in all the instruments that have a hole between them. So that's what our sonic is about. So after the sonic is done, and on here you see our sonic have the detection on there too. So everything cleans. So after our sonic is done, we take it to our cut station. We take it to our cut. So for example, every cut we have our instruments, like instrument tray on each shelf. So we'll have 3 instrument tray, 3. So when we stage everything, we make sure, and then we have the enzyme on the bottoms. So if we're done staging everything, what we're going to do, we're going to push it through the washer. So let me show you the washer. So while our instrument are washing in the in the washer. We have this cat dryer is the cat washer. So the cat washer, what it do, it wash our cats that the instrument come on from the OR. And in here you can see this cat right over here. Yeah, we place all our case medicals, the trays were in. We'll put them, we'll stage them over here, and then start running the washer. So this is our cut. Thank you for tuning in tune today. I hope you have a little bit of understanding of decontamination.